Hello there and welcome back. In this video, we are diving into 3 super simple ways to create web components. First up, we are making a simple effect on mouse hover, and it's super easy to pull off if you are a beginner. Next, we will create a CTA button with a cool 3D look using shadows. Trust me, it will light up the sky. And lastly, we will bring it all together, combining the hover and shadow effects to make this part feel dynamic and real. And the best part, you don't even need the interaction panel for this. Just a few easy steps and boom, your design comes to life. So let's jump right into it. As you can see, we have this section called activities you want to try. So our task would be to make the headings have a different color when we are selecting, or let's just say hovering over the heading element. Yes, it's that simple. To do that, we will simply select a heading. And from the class manager, let's select status hover. And now all we need to do is go to typography. And from the color palette, let's just choose white. And when we go back to the none state, it's just as before. Let's have a fast preview. Yes, it's working. Do notice that when we were updating the heading element, all the other headings of this div were affected. So how did that happen? Because all the headings here hold the same class, heading 50. And so any changes made to an element having this same class would adopt the changes. Cool. Next up, let's make this CTA button behave a bit differently when selected. So like before, we will make our status hover for this button, and when hovered, there will be an outer shadow. So by default, we have some presets here, and let's just give the color to something bluish. There's the color code for you. And then let's just make the blur have 20 pixels, run, and let's have a quick check how it turns out. Fair enough, but the spread is a bit loud, so we can make it up to -3 pixels here. Yes, that will do. And the button initially looks basic, so let's add an inner shadow to make the button pop a bit. So in the none state, add another shadow and change it to inner shadow. So for understanding, let's have the color white for now. Do notice that increasing the numbers in Y makes the inner shadow appear from the top, and decreasing does the alternate thing. So let's add 2 inner shadows, and the result will make the button text look more emphasized. And also, as we now know how it's adding that extra dimension to make the button have a 3D effect, we will change the color to something close to the button body. Let's have a closer look. That's fair enough. So fast forward, let's have the preview. And also let's see how it looked before. Did you see the difference? And it takes just a few clicks to make it happen. The last trick is we will make these round numbers look real, like a sphere. Wow, you can guess right this time how we are going to make it. So select status hover for the circle one and go to shadow. Inner shadow, color will be the light blue shade, 8 pixels in the blur, 4 pixels in the Y, and do notice that we have the same class div100 for 3 of these numbered circles. So updating one will work for others as well. And now save and preview. See how seamless that looks, right? Oh, it's time for the lazy bear to sleep. So that's all for today. Let us know in the comments below what fun components you tried with Drip. See you on the next one.